In this section, we'll be covering how to withdraw money from Fiverr. This is a little bit confusing, and a lot of people who are new to Fiverr itself and are newbies can't understand how to get money out of Fiverr. And the reason that Fiverr makes it a bit confusing is that they want people to spend money on the site itself. This is your credit money, and if you want to buy anything on Fiverr, you can actually use it. But if you want to get the money out of Fiverr, there is a simple process that you can go and get it out. Let's do this right now. The first thing that you have to do, this is the first step, is actually to add a PayPal account to your Fiverr account. So you do this pretty simple. You go into this menu, all the way down to setting. You press on setting once, and then you press on account setting. Let's press on that. In the account settings section, there's going to be a menu that says PayPal, and you can just link it. Next thing is you just press on this menu, and another menu just pops down. When you go down on this menu, you have to go to the one that says selling, and you're going to be pressing on it once. So let's do that. We pressed on selling, and now another menu comes out, and it looks exactly like this, and we are going to the one that says revenues. By pressing on revenues, it's going to get us to the place where we can withdraw the cash. Now, if the money itself has not been cleared yet, it's still going to be held back on Fiverr. So it takes a few days for it to clear, and then you will get more money in your account. So what you can do after you actually do this, there is 3 different ways that you can withdraw cash from Fiverr. One is use your PayPal account, which I highly recommend. You can get a Fiverr revenue card that you can use and spend the money. And lastly, you can direct deposit this straight to your bank account. So those are the 3 main methods. The last and final step to withdraw your cash is actually to press on the icon that says PayPal account. By pressing on that, they're going to send a notification email to your PayPal account that you actually gave them for withdrawal. Then you go into your email and you just confirm that you want to withdraw the money. And you have to do this every single time you want to get the money out. So this is the simple and easy way to withdraw your money on Fiverr.